guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Not My Responsibility. It's more of a poem, but I'm just going to show you the chords to that. Make sure your guitar is started tuning and put your cap on fret number 4. And the chords are as follows. So first we have an A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, right? And then you switch it to an E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, open. And we're not really going to be using that 6th string, right? Is it 6th or 1st? That 1st string, we're not going to be using it. All right, so we have A minor, and we're not going to be using the 3rd fret, the 3rd string also. We're not going to be hammering on the 3rd string of the A minor. So it's going to be open, open, 2, open, 1, open. And then we go to E minor. And here my plucking pattern is 5-4. 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 2 2 5 4 3 2 2 2 6 4 3 2 6 4 3 2 2 2 6 4 3 2, right? That's basically what I'm playing, and I'm now just realizing that it connects seamlessly to Overheated. But yeah, I just thought I should do it separately because I've already done Overheated, so you can check that out. It's on this channel and every other song on the album, really. If you want to learn that, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.